mathematicians, welcome back. Today we are looking at question 24 from the 2022 Gauss Math Competition, grade 7 under. This is the way to solve it. First thing first, I'm just going to tell you guys this is a time-taking step, but it's one of the most simple and the easiest way to know, and I think I only know this way to solve it. So, after reading the question, you understand it is a number called palindrome, which is a number that reads forward and backward samely, like 32523 shown in an example. And that number between 10,000 to 100,000 needs to be divisible by 18. So if you don't know the rule of 18, it's because there aren't. But there is a rule for 2 and 9, so we could use that. The rule for 2 is that it has to be even, obvious. And rule for 9, maybe some of you don't know, but I think most people know, is that it has to be divisible by the sum of the digit has to be divisible. For example, if it was 3, 2, 5, 2, 3 showing an example, I could just look at it and say it's not divisible of 9 because 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 13, which equals 15, is not divisible by 9. Now let's just get into the example here. From the rule that has to be even, we could say that x has to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Note that it can't be 0 because if it was a 0, the starting number would be 0, making it not a 5-digit number that it needs to be. Okay? And the second rule, that sum of the digit needs to be divisible by 9. Now we could say 2x, the starting number, 2i, the second letter, and the fourth letter, plus a d, the middle number, has to equal 9, 18, 27, or 36, 45. I didn't include those because that's going to be long. And let's jump in. So let's say x equals 2 as first. Now it is 2 yz y2. Now let's fit that into the equation that we made of 2x 2yz, which makes it 4 plus 2y plus z equals 9, 18, or 27. I didn't include 36 in here because it can't be. Just think about it. So let's say both y and z was a maximum number of 9. That would reach 27 only, not 36. That's impossible. That's why you don't include it. That's just a quick tip that you need to remember, or you might don't need to, but it will save you some time. From that, so this question, I just told you, it's time taking, and the reason why is because you just need to plug in numbers, and there's a lot. So let's just say when 2yz y2 equals 9, it'll be 9 minus 4 because of the 2 at the first, which makes it 5, making 2y plus z equal to 5. Now let's plug in. Y could equal 0, z could equal 5. If y equals 1, z equals 3. If y equals 2, z equals 1. How I solve that? Just plug in numbers. That's 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 times 1 plus 3 equals 5, and blah, blah, blah. When equals 18, 18 minus 4, so 14. So 2y plus z equals 14. And showing in the screen, and there's 5 possibilities. And when it equals 27, 27 minus 4 equals 23. 2y plus z has to equal 23. So there's 7, y equals 7, 8, and 9 is as z equal 9, 7, and 5 respectively, which makes it 3 option, 5 option, 3 option, which make it 3 plus 5 plus 3, which equals 11. So as 2 to x, there's 11 ways. And you need to do that for all of 4 and 6 and 8. It won't take you super long, but it will take you time. At the end, if you done it correctly, it will be 44 or the answer D.